Hi there, friends. Welcome back to our transformative journey through the world of small studio apartments. This is part 6 of 25th Clever Small Studio Apartment Design Ideas, where we continue to unlock the secrets of compact living without compromising on style. It's Lulu here, your guide to all things chic and compact. Welcome back to our special journey through the world of small studio living. Today, once again, we are not just thinking outside the box. We are redesigning it from walls that move to furniture that folds. We are showcasing the most ingenious design hacks that make every square foot count. After all, we believe that a small space can reflect big ideas. So, we are focusing on how minimalism meets multifunctionality, creating a harmonious blend of form and function. Measure twice, design once. Get ready for some pro tips on measuring your space to make the most of our design ideas. Plus, we'll show you how to create a custom space plan that works for you. Keep an eye out for our special segment on vertical gardening, a green twist to bring light to your walls. In conclusion, whether you are living in a cozy studio or just dreaming of a minimalist makeover, join me as we navigate through this episode. So stay tuned, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our weekly episodes. And if you've been following along, drop a comment below to let us know which design idea you are planning to bring to life in your own studio. Prepare to be inspired because in the world of design, the possibilities are endless. Let's make your small space a big deal. Welcome to this beautifully designed studio apartment with a compact and well-designed space with a modern aesthetic. It features a light color scheme that enhances the sense of space. The living area includes a gray sofa with cushions, a round coffee table, and tasteful decorative items. A large circular mirror hangs on the wall, adding depth to the room. The sleeping area is partially separated by sliding wooden slant door, providing a sense of privacy within the open layout. The light wooden flooring gives the apartment a warm feel, and the presence of natural light suggests there is windows out a view. Overall, the apartment combines functionality and style, making efficient use of the available space. The studio apartment in the image is a cozy and well-organized space that features unique living wall arts. These wall arts are composed of frame green plants, which infuse the apartment with a sense of vitality and bring a touch of nature indoors. The apartment has a modern aesthetic with a gray sofa accented by yellow pillows complemented by parquet flooring. The sleeping area is neatly tucked into an alcove separated by long curtains. A wooden slide table adds a functional element to the space. Overall, the living wall arts are the centerpiece of this small studio, creating a fresh and inviting atmosphere. The studio apartment in the image is designed with a modern and efficient layout. It features a color scheme of blues, grays, and wood tones that create a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. The kitchen area is equipped with dark gray cabinets and stainless steel appliances, and it includes a countertop that doubles as a dining space with seating for two. A black shelving unit as a room divider, offering a sense of separation between the kitchen and the living area. The living space is furnished with comfortable gray armchairs and a coffee table over an area rack that adds warmth to the room. The sleeping area is visible beyond the shelving unit with a bed adorned in white linens and blue decorative accents. Overall, the apartment makes smart use of space, balancing functionality and style. The studio apartment in the image is a contemporary cozy space with a neutral color palette. The sleeping area is modern and efficiently designed for a small studio apartment. It features a built-in bed against a white wall, complemented by white bedding and multiple pillows, including a patterned one. Overhead, there are storage cabinets and two framed art pieces. Wooden partition on the right for some separation from the rest of the apartment. The flooring is a stylish herringbone pattern wood, and there is a flat screen TV mounted to the left of the bed. Overall, the space is well organized, maximizing functionality in a compact living area. And that's a wrap on today's episode, folks. Lulu here signing off from our delightful dive into the world of small studio wonders. As we close the curtains on part 6 of 25 clever small studio apartment design ideas, we hope you've gathered a treasure trove of inspiration to make the most of your cozy quarters. Key highlights: innovative solutions. We've explored cutting-edge design that redefines more space living. Personal touches. It's all about adding your unique flair to make the space truly yours. Bravo to your creativity. We are constantly amazed by the ingenious ways you adapt these ideas into your own studios. Keep sharing your stories and photos with us. Get ready for part 7 where we'll delve into the world of minimalist decor and how less can indeed be more in a studio setting. Before we go, if you enjoy this video, smash that like button, drop us a comment with your favorite design tip, and hit subscribe for more creative content coming your way. Thank you for turning in and transforming your space alongside us. Until next time, keep designing, keep dreaming, and above all, keep enjoying every square foot of your home. Bye now.